Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you where you can find the invite link to your board or project on monday.com to invite your members to that board really quickly to work with you on your project. So let us dive into this and show you where to find that link. It is actually very simple, guys. So head over to monday.com and log into your account and select your workspace on the left panel. And below the workspace, you will see all boards listed that are associated with your workspace. So click into the given board here on the left panel. And after that, you will be redirected to that overview of your board with all the tasks and to-do lists. So what you want to do, guys, is simply click into that button here in the top right corner next to invite here, copy link. And after that, the given invitation link will be copied to your clipboard so that you may now use it to share it with your future potential coworkers and partners to work with you on that board. If they're externals, for example, and haven't signed up on monday.com yet, they will receive that invitation link via email, for example, or direct messaging services, and get asked to sign up on monday.com for an account to join your board directly. You may also use that invite button here and simply send an invitation via email, for example, by clicking on that button here and by selecting invite a new member by email, and send an invitation to the given recipient's email inbox to either accept or decline that invitation to your board. And that's how it works in practice, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.